Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox expected channel name error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you different processes and how you can possibly fix the problem. So the first fix that you can do is to run Roblox as administrator. So to do this, just search for Roblox using the Windows search. So right click onto the Roblox next and then just select open file location and just right click Roblox player and select properties and select compatibility and tick the run this program as administrator and then just select apply and try launching Roblox again. And you can also right click the Roblox app and select run as administrator to run it as administrator. And then next is to click no when the user account control pops up. So to do this, just launch the Roblox and wait for the user account control to pop up. And when the user account control pops up asking you to allow Roblox to make changes to your device, just simply click no and keep clicking no until the pop-up no longer appears and the error should be fixed. And then lastly, what you can do is to try and uninstall and reinstall Roblox. So to do this, just search for control panel using the Windows search and open it and go to the programs and click uninstall a program and right click on the Roblox and select uninstall to uninstall the Roblox and to install it you can reinstall the Roblox at this link right here. So you can just go ahead and copy this one and then after downloading again reinstalling the Roblox, launch Roblox and check if the error persist or fixed. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.